Hi everyone, and welcome to this week of implementation technology of edX course. And this is the homework about the technology I want to implement. I want to start by talking a little bit about the environment here. I am a teacher of mathematics at K7 classrooms. The school I'm teaching in actually has a low to middle income school, which means the students are not that, I can say, not that well educated, and maybe the money issue make the education less important to the family. And the resources we use in the school are very classics. Actually, they are whiteboards. Maybe sometimes we use some drawings and papers to explain something. Maybe some plastic demonstration tools. Maybe a shape of 3D model or something like that. But actually, it's very simple tools. What the technology I want to implement actually it's a portable projector. I want to use a portable projector in my class for many reasons, of course. One of them are I have already teach math and I've seen some students struggling understanding some proofs of some theory proof shapes, like I say, uh, the the area of a parallelogram, maybe the proof when you have to cut a triangle at the end, maybe paste it in the other end, and then you have a rectangle, maybe there you can prove it on that. Those types of theories, they are somehow hard to explain on the whiteboard. So maybe a small video, small animation, maybe you can just record it and maybe just show the kids the video. They will understand it more. I propose maybe some 3D models we can animate them. Maybe we can rotate them around different axes. See what's the total area, maybe the side area, how it's just computed. Maybe some we can use it just to. Sometimes I have to retype the theory on the whiteboard, and that takes some time. Maybe I would have written them down and just in images I can show them on the projector so the kids start writing them maybe, and I maybe use that time to explain other things or have some conversations with kids. Maybe you can have some joy there. Maybe you can see some funny videos. Maybe energize the kids. They can have more fun in the class. The reason I chose a portable projector, the school have a projector which I can use, but not in the class. I can just carry that it's with me. Uh, but the issue there is the setup time. I just have 45 minutes for the class, and the setup time would be very long, very long in perception with the class time. So these portable projectors has a like one in the picture is ZTE by a company called ZTE S Pro 2. It has a built-in batteries, and they can connect wirelessly to other devices. So you can mirror your tablet, mirror your computer to it. No wires needed. Just some small steps, and you are ready to go. And it's also have an Android in it and an onboard screen, which you can use some interactive math apps, interactive whiteboards. Maybe you have the videos already built in the device, so you don't have to connect to any other devices. So that would help me just cut times very efficiently. So because I have to carry it from class to class, I have to go from one place to another. Setup time is very important to me. I don't have to reboot the projector and all other things. And the other important thing is the first technology implementation in the class in our schools. And I want to see how the kids react to that. What's the the big picture of the technology in the class? What other teachers might suggest? What they and I just want to see how technology would help such class, or and what the other issues could rise on using technology. The stakeholders of this implementation are really is first of all it's me. I have to pay for the portal projector. The school can't afford that, unfortunately, and the curriculum I have to redesign all some of the elements there. I have to make images. I have to search some for some videos. That will cause an overhead on the teaching of the class. And the other stakeholders are school director, which I have to get the permission from him for other. I have actually talked with him, and he encouraged the use of it, and he says he believes it will cut the it will make the class more efficient by cutting repetitive tasks, and I actually have the permission from him to use it. Another issue here, which is I just think about a day or so, and I have to discuss it with the school director, is the other math teachers and also class students, how they will see our class. When other teachers see that our class using technology and the students all talking about it, maybe other classes, maybe I don't know, maybe feel shame, or maybe I don't know why our teachers don't use technology, why we and other teachers may have some social issues here with me. They their kids won't be that engaged with them because of me. I don't know. This is a social issue really important, I think, and I have to rediscuss it with the director. And I really hope that you guys who maybe have some insights for me on all of our all of what I have talked about, and especially this issue, the social issue, and maybe you have some advices for me. And another issue I want to discuss here is that the use of technology, I believe, and especially the projector, in my experiments when they are used in when I've been studying in university, that the projector is not a replacement for writing on whiteboards. Writing on whiteboards is very important. The kids have to see how you write it, how you do it, maybe how you draw the shapes. Maybe when you have already been drawn, they don't know how to maybe how to draw it the right way. And the engagement on the whiteboard, when the kids go to the whiteboard right in front of their peers, they 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 get shy, they get energized. All of these social issues are very, very important, I believe. And another thing, I just don't want kids to be lazy. Sometimes when you see just all using technology, they maybe say, "Why I have to write on the papers all what the teacher just have the images? Why don't he just give that to us?" And I believe that writing will encourage the learning experience. And when you see and when you write, the information and the idea will stick longer maybe, and you'll maybe learn it a lot better. And and the projector may eliminate these benefits when used unwisely. So maybe a teacher just keep showing slides of different ideas, of different shapes, and he just maybe can't describe it the right way, and he just keep showing other slides, and the class gets out of control at all, and the kids will hate the class. This is just experiments I have already seen in the university. So I believe not the technologies are not a replacement. Any other technology is not replacement for the paper and the pen, and because as much of senses you use in the learning experience will be that will help the learning better. And thank you guys for listening, and I hope to hear from you on all the things I have just discussed. And thank you for listening.